Ever imagined a world where you're sipping your morning coffee and your bank balance is rising without you lifting a finger? Well, that's not a fairy tale. In today's digital age, generating a passive income stream is more feasible than ever. Stick around as we dive deep into 20 digital product ideas that could be your ticket to this dream. From the palm of your hand to the vast reaches of cyberspace, opportunities abound. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be brimming with inspiration and itching to get started on your digital goldmine. Number 1. Ebooks. Delving into the realm of ebooks is more than just writing. It's about filling a knowledge gap. Whether sharing unique recipes, DIY home improvement tips, or a compelling fictional story, the digital age has opened avenues like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, enabling anyone to be an author. An ebook's success isn't just in its content, but also in its marketing and cover design. The initial time investment in writing is rewarded each time someone downloads your creation, turning your knowledge into a revenue stream. Number 2. Online courses. The thirst for knowledge in our digital age is unquenchable. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable have empowered everyone from yoga instructors to coding experts to share their skills. Crafting an engaging, insightful course can be time-consuming, but the dividends it pays in terms of passive income and personal brand building can be substantial. With quality content and effective promotion, one course can be a source of income for years. Number 3. Photography. Beyond just capturing moments, photography is about encapsulating emotions and stories. Stock platforms such as Shutterstock or Adobe Stock have democratized photo selling, but succeeding here requires more than just uploading photos. Keyword optimization, understanding stock trends, and consistently updating your portfolio can ensure regular passive income earnings from each click of your camera. Number 4. Digital templates. In today's fast-paced world, everyone is looking for shortcuts. Digital templates, be it for PowerPoint presentations, resumes, or wedding invitations, offer a quick solution. Platforms like Etsy allow designers to sell their unique creation, but it's the blend of usability, design, and marketing that determines success. With each download, not only do you earn, but you save someone else valuable time. Number 5. Software and apps. Every click on our smartphones is a testament to a problem solved by an app. The app market, be it through Google Play or the Apple Store, is vast and varied. Identifying a unique problem, designing an intuitive solution, and then navigating the labyrinth of app marketing can lead to significant passive income. From games to productivity tools, the potential is vast and varied. Number 6. Printables. The charm of something tangible remains evergreen. Printables like planners, checklists, or even craft designs are digital products that translate into the physical world. With platforms like Etsy facilitating sales, the key is in identifying trending needs, designing aesthetically pleasing solutions, and pricing them right. Number 7. Music and sound effects. The auditory landscape of the internet is vast. From the background scores of YouTube videos to the jingles and ads, the demand for unique music and sound effects is constant. For budding musicians, platforms like Audio Jungle or even Spotify can become stages. Each sale or stream is not just passive income, but also an extension of one's artistic reach. Number 8. Digital art and illustrations. The digital brush has taken art beyond canvas. Digital art, be it for website banners, ebook covers, or even t-shirt designs, finds its audience through platforms like DeviantArt or as NFTs on blockchain platforms. But beyond creation, understanding copyright, licenses, and effective digital promotion are essential for monetizing your artistry. Number 9. Stock videos. In an age where video content reigns supreme, stock footage is gold. Advertisers, documentary makers, or even YouTubers are on the lookout for that perfect clip. Sites like Pond5 allow videographers to monetize their craft. Quality, relevance, and a good understanding of stock video trends are the trinity for success in this domain. Number 10. Membership sites. Exclusivity is appealing. Creating a membership site, be it around niche content like advanced photography tutorials or community-driven platforms for writers, can be a stable source of income. Platforms like Patreon have popularized this model, where creators can provide value to subscribers in the form of content, insights, or early access to products. Number 11. Webinars. The digital shift has taken seminars online. Webinars, whether they're about digital marketing insights, writing workshops, or even DIY craft sessions, have a wide audience. Platforms like Zoom and GoToWebinar are just the start. Recording, repackaging, and selling these as resources can turn a single session into a long-term asset. Number 12. Digital magazines. The allure of flipping through a magazine translates into the digital realm too. Niche digital magazines, focusing on areas like indie music, contemporary art, or even travel, have a readership. Platforms like Isu offer publishing tools. However, quality content, regular updates, and an understanding of digital distribution are essential for profitability. Number 13. Mobile game skins and assets. The world of gaming is not just about gameplay, but also aesthetics. Custom skins, characters, or even game backgrounds can be monetized. The Unity Asset Store, for example, is a marketplace for such digital assets. Creating them requires skill, but marketing them requires an understanding of gaming trends and player preferences. Number 14. Podcasts. The renaissance of radio in the form of podcasts has created a unique monetization avenue. Beyond sponsorships, premium episodes, masterclass sessions, or even affiliated product recommendations can generate revenue. Platforms like Anchor or Podbean facilitate podcasting, but understanding one's niche and audience is the real game changer. By integrating tools like Descript for editing or Pod Ads for sponsorship integrations, monetizing becomes more effortless. Offering premium ad-free episodes or exclusive behind-the-scenes content can enhance subscriber value, driving revenue. Number 15. Fonts and typography. The written word style can be as impactful as the content itself. Custom fonts have applications ranging from website design to advertising. Selling these on platforms like MyFonts can be lucrative, but the key lies in uniqueness, usability, and staying updated with design trends. Collaborations with graphic designers or industries can lead to exclusive font deals. Platforms like FontSpring or FontShop offer various licensing options, ensuring each font finds its perfect audience. Number 16. Affiliate marketing ebooks. Affiliate marketing is about recommending products and earning a commission. But what if these recommendations are packaged into a comprehensive ebook? With insights, reviews, and affiliate links, such ebooks can be both informative and profitable. Platforms like ClickBank or Amazon Associates provide the framework, but the effectiveness lies in genuine recommendations and marketing the ebook. By focusing on niches like sustainable products, emerging tech gadgets, or even indie book recommendations, affiliate marketing can be tailored. Collaborating directly with manufacturers or brands can lead to exclusive affiliate deals or even product bundles. Interactive elements, such as embedded videos or AR-based product previews, can enhance the ebook's value and appeal. Number 17. Virtual reality or VR content. Immersive experiences are the next frontier. VR, be it in gaming, education, or virtual tourism, holds untapped potential. For creators capable of crafting VR experiences, platforms like Oculus Store are just the beginning. Understanding VR trends and creating genuinely immersive content can lead to significant passive earnings. Beyond gaming, VR has vast potential in fields like virtual tourism, historical reenactments, or even immersive learning modules. Collaborations with educational institutions, museums, or tourist boards can lead to exclusive content deals. Platforms like Viveport or Steam VR are just the tip of the iceberg, with many niche platforms emerging catering to specific VR content. Number 18. Recipe books. The way to the heart is through the stomach, and digital recipe books are a testament to this. Whether it's vegan recipes, ethnic cuisines, or even cocktails, the market is vast. The ingredients for success include unique recipes, mouth-watering images, and effective digital marketing. Beyond traditional recipe instructions, imagine pointing your device at a page and watching a dish come alive, showing preparation in real time. Collaborations with chefs or restaurants can lead to exclusive recipes or even AR cooking sessions. Platforms like AR Lupa or Zapworks can assist in AR content creation, ensuring a seamless and engaging user experience. Number 19. Meditation and workout guides. Well-being is the mantra of the modern age. Guides focusing on unique meditation techniques, yoga postures, or even home workouts cater to a health-conscious audience. Platforms like Gumroad can facilitate sales, but real success lies in the effectiveness of the content and its promotion. Number 20. Digital stickers and emojis. Expressing ourselves digitally often goes beyond words. Custom emojis and digital stickers for messaging apps or platforms like Snapchat have a market. Designing them is just part of the journey. Understanding trends, usability across platforms, and effective marketing is what turns these fun graphics into income generators. And there you have it, 20 shimmering avenues of passive income just waiting for your touch. So channel that inner digital mogul, dive in, and let the internet do the hard work. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found value in today's content, and subscribe for more gems. Until next time, happy digital hustling!